Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. This video is going to be a little bit of a life update and a channel update. As you may have noticed, I have not posted a single video on here in a really long time. I do apologize for that, and if you've stuck around, thank you so much for being patient with me and for allowing me this time to just take a step back and focus on what's really important right now. So both kids are currently napping at the same time, which is a miracle, and I am taking advantage of it just to sit down and chat with you guys and give you a little update. Nothing fancy here, coming to you real and raw, no makeup, sitting on my bed where I can find a little bit of quiet because I've been itching to get back to filming and sharing. If you're new here, you may not know that I was pregnant last year and I recently had my baby in December. She's 4 months old as I'm filming this, and it's just wild to think how much time has passed by. I've really just been focusing on healing for myself and learning how to take care of this family of 4 now. And because of all of that being a priority, I have not prioritized making videos yet. But I'm finally feeling back to normal, back into a routine and feeling creative, and I want to get back to making videos for this channel. So I'm going to start filming and sharing yoga videos on this channel again very soon. And I also want to add a little bit of a lifestyle component to this channel. I've been giving it a lot of thought and there's so much more I want to share. And while I share it on my Instagram as well as on my blog, I want to be able to share those things here too, related to wellness and just mindful living, family life, motherhood, all of those things. It's Flow with Shreya, and Shreya's life includes all of these things. And I want to bring you guys in on that journey here on YouTube as well. And just going with the flow of life through these seasons of life, I hope that I can add value to you by sharing these things. Another little change on this channel is actually going to be an addition to the channel. Towards the end of my pregnancy and in the beginning of my postpartum period, I actually completed my prenatal and postnatal yoga certifications. So I am able to teach those types of classes and will be sharing those videos on this channel as well. So with all that being said, I did want to give you guys a little bit of an update on how things have been going, what's new in life. As you know, the newborn baby is new in life. And while I had shared that I was going for a VBAC, vaginal birth after cesarean for this birth, I had not shared that I was actually going to do that at home. We were planning to have a home birth after cesarean. I've shared all the details in a lengthy blog post that I'll link down below if you're interested in learning all the details. But long story short, I was able to go through majority of my labor at home and then ended up transferring to the hospital where I then had an unmedicated VBAC, vaginal birth after cesarean. We were able to come home the very next day and start our lives as a family of 4. The 4th trimester has definitely been tough, taking care of 2 kids, sleep deprivation, hormones, healing, all of those things. But I will say that my recovery this time was so much smoother, and I'm really thankful for that. We were really thankful to have some help in the beginning, but we've been on our own for a few months and it's a lot of work. So again, if you're interested in following along the journey, I do share daily on my Instagram things that have to do with motherhood, the kids, yoga, all of the above. So be sure to give me a follow there. And I'm so thankful to those of you that have continued practicing with me with videos that already exist on this channel, and all of you that have sent so many warm well wishes our way as we evolve into the next chapters of our lives. As I start posting again on this channel and creating new videos for you guys, I'd love to hear your feedback. Let me know in the comments below which types of videos would be most helpful to you, whether it's yoga related, specific types of flows, or lifestyle related. If you're ready to dive into some yoga right now, check out my yin yoga or vinyasa yoga playlist. And if you're a beginner, check out my beginner yoga playlist. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Namaste.